My name is Gupta. I did my BTech in computer science 10 years ago, and after this long gap, I wanted to upgrade my skill set, and I thought of doing that through software testing. So I was exploring various options from where I can pursue that, and then I got to know about Knowledgenic. And I must mention the way classes are conducted here is really incredible. The way Prashant sir conducts session is really amazing. His sessions are always interactive. We feel so free to ask any doubt at any point of time. And he always, explains the things in such a way that it's very easy to, understand and implement. And not only the academic part, the admin part is equally very supportive. The HR, Miss Jyoti, whenever I had any query and I asked her, I've always received the prompt reply. So overall, it has been a wonderful experience to associate with Knowledgenic. Thank you.